Hi there, Tassos here, and I want to follow up on our discussions about Web 3.0, the new economy, the new era, the future of digital business and marketing. And today is the first day of the Symposium, the 5-day live event organized by the Ask Method company Ryan Levesque and his amazing team. We'll go live every day for 5 days from Monday through Friday at 4 p.m. US Eastern Time. It's 11 p.m. in Greece, and they'll be discussing traffic, lead generation, data, privacy, trust, email marketing, product development and blockchain, marketing funnels, and more. And today we have Trace Seneman, CMO, Chief Marketing Officer at the Ask Method company, a very experienced and exceptional marketing consultant. Be there, prepared to take notes. Trey will be discussing traffic and lead generation in a cookieless world, what happened with the iOS updates and all the other changes in this space, and he'll be sharing right now techniques that we can use in our business. And traffic is the most important topic because without traffic we don't really have any business online. So it's a huge topic. Be there, be live. The symposium, it's going to be an epic event. And we have on this page all the guides and all the resources we gather for Web 3.0. And I'm organizing a webinar in just a few days all about product development with a focus on live experiences and live events that any brand can add to their business. We have a lot to share, but right on this page you can find more guides and resources. There is a visual guide that shows everything, every area in the digital business that is affected and how to navigate the future. There is a quiz to test your Web 3.0 readiness. There is a guide on data from zero-party, first, second-party, and third-party data, and I explain which one is the most important type of data. It's the zero-party data. And there are other guides. We have a guide on implications in marketing, what Web 3.0 means for businesses, a very detailed research. And there are more guides. We are adding content on a daily basis, so keep coming back on this page. We have the interviews. You can schedule an interview to discuss Web 3.0 with me, and you can get this interview and any content you have for Web 3.0 get featured on our blog. You can get free exposure. It's up to you. It's optional. You can schedule an interview without getting featured on the blog. It's up to you. But I believe you'll get massive exposure. Right now we are sending thousands of people to these pages, so I believe it's a great chance for you to schedule an interview, discuss Web 3.0, show to the world how we are getting prepared for this new. So be there, be the symposium. I'll speak to you soon. Thanks for watching. Take care.